Thank you, Mike. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mei-Ling Loco, and I'm the CEO of Ambis. Ambis is essentially a building technology company that basically upcycles materials from agriculture in order to clean our air. Is that working? Okay. We do this by taking what I think is known as one of the world's most underutilized material resources, and that's waste from agri-industry. And these materials have amazing properties, and we upcycle them and combine this with fluid mechanics design to remediate indoor air. You might ask, what's the value in doing this? And well, today buildings consume 40% of all our world's energy. That puts it ahead of transport and industry. And we do this spending over half of that energy using really expensive centralized air conditioning systems. This means that a staggering 20% of all our energy goes into heating, cooling, drying, and pumping air through thousands of miles within our buildings. And we at Ambis think there's a better way to do so. This is what a low-energy, material-based distributed air conditioning system could look like. Using low-energy devices, we induce air into our systems and filter them, clean them, dry them, and return them to us safely. These two images here speak 1,000 words, and it sort of symbolizes for me our journey through high-tech Rochester's Nexus program. We began with a commodity product, and something that we had hoped would replace fiberboards or reconstituted wood products. And today we have a high-value premium product that is able to offer air remediation, acoustic performance, and all the while looking pretty cool. So I was going to talk for the most part about our business, but as I did this presentation, I kind of wanted to show where we started. Our first 3 days, we were in a retreat in high-tech Rochester's Nexus program, and this was our very first business model canvas. I had no idea what that was. We made it with Post-it notes, and the HTR's program became a critical platform for us to identify partners, identify regional suppliers, and most of all, the sort of extensive mentorship and business sort of expertise within the program has been a strong foundation for our company to grow and pivot many times. So while there was a plan A before, I think we're on plan, D maybe. And we still maintain those relationships even after graduating from the program. So we continue to develop over time, eliminating a lot of potential materials and applications, and we were sharpening our value proposition. Today, our business model that you see here reflects the strength of the upstate ecosystem that we developed through Nexus. We essentially see ourselves as a bridge between the agricultural sector and the building sector that we understand very well as architects. Over the next year, Ambis aims to raise about $250,000 in order to develop a prototype for our base catalog and deploy within critical building test beds throughout the world in order to demonstrate our value proposition and all the while doing so with beautiful, clean materials that can impact building energy consumption. Over the course of this year, we've installed a 100-square-foot wall panel system at Skidmore, Owings & Merrill down in New York City. And this was done through the high-tech Rochester Nexus program. This August, we are deploying our system in a test bed in Ghana, where we're working with CASE, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, and a leading private foundation. And the aim of this test bed is to show our air quality performance within a net zero test bed. And lastly, we've gotten our first client, and we're deploying our systems in commercial and high-end luxury applications. We really wish to thank Doug Berkeley, I said his name right this time, Allison Yachi and Mike Ridlinger, as well as Jim and the high-tech Rochester team, who have really opened up their resources and extensive network over the past year and a half. And they've helped us realize the first of many steps in fulfilling our company's mission. Thank you.